Hey Rusty, do you know how airplanes fly? Yes, because they have superpowers. No. Well, let me explain. First, you explain it. What do you think? How do airplanes fly? And remember, don't give me the previous answer. Yes, because they have fire in them. No, I don't think they have fire. And I'm sure they don't have fire in them. No, they have. Here's a demo. That was nice, wasn't it? That was, but that's not the reason why they fly. Well, let me explain, and you will listen carefully. Okay? Okay. Airplane wings are shaped to make air move faster over the top of the wing. When air moves faster, the pressure of the air decreases. So, the pressure on the top of the wing is less than the pressure on the bottom of the wing. The difference in pressure creates such a force on the wing that lifts the wing up into the air. Did you understand anything? Yes. Oh, you're better than Jinx. I know, I'm better than everyone. You probably don't know I'm the best. Okay, that's good. Now I'm going to make my airplane fly. Here we go. Here we fly. And don't forget to subscribe to Toontastic 3D. This airplane also flies in the same way. And here is one of the wings. And here is me. And I repeat again. Subscribe to Toontastic 3D. And that's all. Bye.